I am so excited. This time of year is really exciting anyway, but just today, Pinterest dropped their 2026 trend predictions, and these are so good. If you want your content to stand out next year, if you want to stay ahead of the curve before everyone else jumps on these trends, stick around for a little bit. Hi. I'm Jen. I help service providers get more leads without posting every single day. And I've personally been using Pinterest since it was in beta by invitation only in 2009. Today, we are diving into Pinterest Predicts 2026, Pinterest's annual trend report where they study billions of searches and saves to figure out what people will love next year. This year's themes are all about nonconformity, self preservation, and escape. Because let's be real, in this time of our lives, people really want some comfort and identity and fun more than ever. All right, let's dive right in. What is Pinterest Predicts? Pinterest Predicts is Pinterest's big yearly forecast built from actual user behavior, not guesses. Pinterest looks at what people are searching for, what they save, what's rising month over month, and what's growing across categories. From home to food to beauty to travel, Pinterest pulls out big patterns so that we can see where people are headed emotionally and creatively. And get this. Pinterest has been right more than 80% of their predictions over the past few years. So, this report is a huge gift for your content planning. For 2026, Pinterest identifies trends tied to three big themes: nonconformity, self preservation, and escapism and play. So, let's go through them. Pinterest predicts 2026 trends. Number one, Afrohemian decor. Warm, textured, global inspired home style using African prints, bold patterns, and natural materials. Number two, Funhouse circus core. Playful whimsy decor, stripes, bold shapes, vintage posters, colorful accents. Number three, Neo Deco. A modern revival of Art Deco glam, polished metals, geometric shapes, luxe vibes. Number four, Extra Celestial. Cosmetic, dreamy, sci fi inspired looks, holographic makeup, metallic textures, futuristic home style. Number five, Cool Blue. Icy, soft, clean blue tones showing up in weddings, beauty, fashion, and home. Number six, Glitchy Glam. Experimental beauty, mismatched nails, bold liner, asymmetric cuts, imperfect perfection. Number seven, Broached. Vintage brooches and pins returning as statement accessories and styling detail. Number eight, Cabbage Crush. Cabbage becomes the food moment. Cabbage tacos, dumplings, slaws, fermented dishes. I know I have some friends that are going to really love that one. Number nine, Gimme Gummy. Soft, squishy, playful textures, gummy looking nails, accessories, tech cases, beauty. Number 10, Throwback Kid. Retro kids fashion and toys, nostalgic, bright, 60s all the way through 90s inspired. Number 11, Pen Pals. Analog nostalgia, handwritten notes, stationery, letter writing, quiet hobbies. Number 12, Poet Core. Bookish, cozy, introspective style, warm sweaters, journals, nostalgic visuals. Number 13, Wilderkind. Nature and animal inspired style, butterflies, forest prints, earthy tones. Number 14, Darecations. Oh, that sounds so fun. I haven't read these yet, so I'm just reading them for you as we go through them. Thrill based travel, rafting, racing events, canoeing, adventure over calm. That sounds like something my family would be very interested in. Number 15, opera aesthetic, drama, glam, luxe looks, statement outfits, rich textures, bold styling. Number 16, laced up, soft, delicate details, lace, vintage fabrics, and textured fashion moments. And by the way, I'm going to not just read all the rest of these, but I'm going to talk with you a little bit about how you can use them as well. So, number 17, khaki coated utility meets style. Khakis, field jacket, earth tones, practical but cool. Before I tell you why service based businesses should care about these trends and some quick content ideas, if you want help, one is a done for you where you don't want to have to lift a finger. We design your pins, we handle your strategy, and we post everything for you. I'll have the link below for that. Pinterest management. And also for you DIYers out there, you can get support inside the club. Get templates, strategies, step-by-step help without feeling overwhelmed. And I'm live 3 times a month so that I can really coach you through any confusion. It is a group membership and it's so much fun. I invite you to join. Why service-based businesses should care. These trends give you a huge edge when planning next year's content. Because Pinterest is a search marketing platform, unlike LinkedIn or Instagram or TikTok, it's very much like Google, your blogs, as well as YouTube. It really knows what people are searching for, so it's got a really good handle on what's coming up. And Pinterest is basically showing you what your future clients will be drawn to emotionally and visually. This helps you to stand out with fresh, on-trend visuals, pick the right colors, styles, and moods for your pins, understand what people will be searching for online everywhere, not just Pinterest, build offers, blogs, and videos that tap into what your audience already wants. Also, it positions your brand ahead of the curve. You do not have to match all of these trends. Just pick the vibes that feel on brand for your business and yourself and run with it. So, some quick ideas to use these trends in your content. Create a mood board using Coolblue, Poetcore, or Extra Celestial. These are the different trends, of course. Make reels or pins themed around glitchy glam. Update your brand visuals with small touches of neo deco or fun house. Build Pinterest boards for clients using Afrohemian decor, Wilderkind, or opera aesthetic. Or use Pen Pals or Poetcore vibes for cozy, calm content pieces. Little tiny shifts can make your content feel fresh and so 2026. Thank you so much for hanging out with me today. You crushed it just by showing up for your business and learning about creating content. Pick one of the 2 videos on the screen next to keep growing your biz the easy way. See you next week.